Accurpress has been building press brakes and shears for over 45 years, always with the same goal: build great machines and help our customers grow their business. Our Accurpress Accell-E series continues in that tradition. Proudly engineered and built from the ground up in Rapid City, South Dakota. Industry-leading hydraulic and electrical components. Precision Y1, Y2 synchronized closed-loop hydraulics. Vision and Vision 3D controls. Optional touch function Moses control. Wheeler hydraulic upper tool clamping system. CNC crowning die holder. Premium backgauge for automatic part gauging. Our machine technology has changed over the years, but our goals have always been the same. Build a great machine. Keep the price competitive and provide ongoing local support to keep your business moving. After 21,000 machines built, we are the machine builder you can trust.